Photopea. What's the joy in having such an app? This is it. Photopea it's a compressed version of the Adobe Photoshop. You can literally make a design, make changes on any mockup of your choice using Photopea. But guess what? It is not an easy process, except for a fact if you are using an OTG for Android, attaching your wired mouse to control your mobile device for the purpose of design. Let's say a good tablet as well can work. One of the problems I encountered while using the Photopea is that it crashes when I want to save a modified PSD file, and this is not a good feature. So you can install Photopea on any Android mobile device that is good enough. Also note, Photopea does not run offline, it rather works online. So install it on your mobile device and see how it works for you. Like, share and subscribe only on Subscribe.